Hello singers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie-Laurence. I am a vocal coach and singing teacher. Today we are diving into one of the best vocal exercises out there, the lip trills. Whether you are a beginner or a professional singer, this vocal exercise will help you to build breath control, flexibility, and eliminate tension. If you've ever struggled with high notes and vocal fatigue, the lip trill exercise is for you. So stick around because at the end of this video, you will master the lip trill technique. The lip trill is when you blow air through your lips, making your lips vibrate like this. Let's do it together. Inhale. The key is to find the right airflow. So take a deep breath through your nose, keep your lips relaxed, and gently push the air out. Inhale. If your lips don't vibrate, try to put your fingers on the corners of your mouth. Or so, like this, or just let the air do the work. Don't force it. Relax your jaw. Great. Hold the lip trill as long as you can. Once you can sustain a lip trill, let's try a siren. Let's try it. Great. People often tighten their lips too much, like this. Remember, the goal is relaxation. Don't hold your breath. Make sure you're breathing deeply with the diaphragm, not just your chest. If you breathe deeply, it will help you to sustain the lip trill with more power and control, like this. When you practice sirens, focus on a smooth transition. If your lips stop vibrating, check out your airflow. Keep it steady and supported. Start low, then go higher. This will help you to connect your voice with all your registers. Pick a simple melody and try to sing with the lip trill instead of the words. This is a powerful tool to improve your voice, so do it daily. Now you have the foundation for a good lip trill. What was the biggest challenge you face while practicing lip trills? Let me know in the comments. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more vocal tips. If you want more vocal exercises, check out my other videos. See you next time!